everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Energy Australia account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Energy Australia is easy. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in energyaustralia.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page. Energy Australia is an electricity and gas retailing private company in Australia. To log into an account online, you can click on the login button at the top right. If you don't have an account yet, click on the register button and follow the registration process to create an account first. Once you have an account, you can easily log in anytime you want by clicking on this login button from the main home page, and then in the login area, enter your email address associated with your account. After you are done typing it in, on the next field, type in the correct password. If you don't remember your email or password, you can get help by clicking on the Forgot Your Password or Forgot Your Email respectively. After filling in your email and password correct, click this login button to get access to Energy Australia account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.